So following a history of long-lasting, sometimes failed, expensive government IT projects, the Government Digital Service was created in the UK Cabinet Office as a result of Martha Lane Fox's report, Revolution, Not Evolution. The Government Digital Service, or GDS, is now responsible for leading the creation of digital by default services that will enable citizens to interact more effectively with the government and will enable the government to save money. Digital services are created using an Agile method, which is an iterative and collaborative approach where business and technical people work together to create a product. The service is then released in small increments so that we can test it with real users and get feedback on how citizens actually use it. This allows us to make sure that we're actually working on something that's really valuable to citizens, and also gives us an opportunity to look back and improve the process of how we actually create the service. So the government is creating these digital services using Agile methods because it means for them it's a reduced risk. It means less risk of coming to the end of the project term and finding out that what you've delivered is no good for citizens or is no longer relevant. And it also means reduced risk that you get to the end and realise that nothing's been delivered at all. Also, the ability to use frequent feedback from real people means that we can make sure we're delivering services that are relevant and good for citizens, rather than just based on the designs of technical experts. So on this kind of project, it's a lot more inclusive of the whole team. We all work together to try and understand what it is that we're doing and why it's important that we're doing it. And we frequently look back on how we're actually running the process so that we can improve the way we're creating these digital services. It also means that we've got more chances to improve, which for us is a lot easier than just looking back at the very end of the project and trying to figure out if we've done the right thing then.